Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Wella Suryadi, NPM 2202040027. I would like to present to you that my proposal. It's a language learning strategies among students in SMAN 1 Salim Pawung on fase F. Alright, we start from chapter 1. In introduction, learning at school can be complex effort that is influenced by various problems. Learning strategies are one of problems in learning English because each individual has a different learning style. A learning strategy that is effective for one person may not be effective for another. Alright, we move to the background, and I will talk about some effective background learning strategies. And one, it's a self-directed study. In this case, setting personal learning goals, identify resources like book, articles, online course, and managing time effectively. Number 2, active learning. In this case, engaging with the material actively through summarizing, paragraphing, and discussing concepts with others. 3, reflection. In this case, taking time to reflect on what has been learned, connecting new information with prior knowledge, and identifying gaps in understanding. The purpose of this study is to find, number 1 is effectiveness, assessing how effective various strategies are in improving learning outcomes, such as exam scores or knowledge retention. And number 2, comparative studies, is comparing to the effectiveness of different strategies or combination of strategies in the different contexts. It's a methods. Communicative language teaching is perhaps the most popular approach among the methods of teaching ESL today. The theory used in the study is a social cognitive theory. This theory combines cognitive and social aspects in learning with an emphasis on observation, role models, and reinforcement. The hypothesis in this study use alternative hypothesis H1. Research question is number 1. Do any strategies work better or worse than others? And number 2, how effective various strategies are in improving learning outcomes, such as exam scores or knowledge retention. Chapter 2, in point A, in this theoretical review, language learning strategies have received a considerable amount of significance since early 1970s for the crucial role they are playing in the language learning. Point B is a key concept. And learning strategies can include various approaches and techniques that help individual acquire, process, store, and remember information. Here, some key concept in the learning strategies. Point C is a research gaps. In the study of learning strategies can be related to several aspects that is still need further attention or have not been fully relevant. Some research gaps that may identify include number 1 is the application of learning strategies in a specific context. Number 2 is the integration of technology in learning strategies. By filling this gap, research on the learning strategies can be continued to develop and make the significant contribution to improving educational effectiveness and better understanding the learning and teaching